This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
The following procedure applies to the most common or basic cooling system servicing procedure and does not show removing the block drain plugs. Before servicing the cooling system, disconnect the cable from the remote ground terminal. Then isolate the cable by securing the insulated part onto the stud, then screw on the nut. Wait until the engine is completely cool before beginning this procedure. With the engine cold, remove the radiator cap and set the heater control to maximum heat. Move a large container under the radiator drain fitting to catch the coolant mixture as it's drained. Attach a suitable hose at the bottom of the drain fitting to direct the coolant into the pan. Open the drain fitting at the bottom of the radiator. Allow the coolant to completely drain out. While the coolant is draining, check the condition of the radiator hoses, heater hoses, and clamps. Replace any damaged clamps or hoses. Close the radiator drain plug. Fill the cooling system with clean water until the level is between the full hot and add marks. Install the radiator cap. Start the engine and allow it to reach normal operating temperature, then rev up the engine a few times. Turn off the engine and allow it to cool completely, then drain the system as described earlier. Close the radiator drain plug and repeat the process of refilling with clean water, running the engine and draining until the water being drained is free of contaminants. Make sure the radiator drain plug is installed, then add the proper mixture of coolant into the filler neck until it reaches the radiator cap seat. Install the radiator cap. Add the same coolant mixture to the reservoir until the level is between the full hot and add marks. Run the engine until normal operating temperature is reached, then allow the engine to cool. With the engine cold, add coolant as necessary to bring it up to the correct level. Keep a close watch on the coolant level and the various cooling system hoses during the first few miles of driving and check for any coolant leaks. Make sure the hose clamps are tight and add more coolant mixture as necessary.